Boo-hoo! Just kidding. It's me, KidoBot. The Halloween night isn't just spooky, it's full of sounds and mystery. Let's play another round of riddles from the spooky night. I make a sound when doors move slow. Eek! I whisper. Open or close. Creak. The squeaky sound doors or floors make when they move. Creak. When the clock says 12 and the sky is deep, that's when the world is fast asleep. Midnight. The middle of the night, when it's darkest. Midnight. You hear me coming? Tap, tap, tap. But turn around. No one's there, perhaps. Footsteps. The sounds made when someone walks. Footsteps. I repeat what you say, again and again. But I'm not a friend. I'm sound in a den. Echo. The sound that bounces back from walls or mountains. Echo. I move softly through the trees. You can't see me, but you feel me. I'm the breeze, a soft, gentle wind. Breeze. Wow, you really have brave ears. Now you know the sounds of the spooky night, from creaks to echoes and soft breezes in the dark. Keep your smiles glowing and your lanterns bright. See you next time on It's Riddle Time.